Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a community in WhatsApp in 1 minute. With WhatsApp Community's user-friendly interface, you can easily set up and manage your community even if you possess little to no technical knowledge. This ease of use allows all kinds of businesses to leverage the platform to run their WhatsApp marketing and support operations without worrying about complexities that go hand in hand with managing a digital communication platform. Creating a WhatsApp community is a simple process and would take no more than 5 minutes. Watching these videos are ways you can create communities on WhatsApp for different operating systems, but I will use for Android. First, open WhatsApp. Start by opening the WhatsApp on your Android device. Then tap on Communities tab at the top left or at the bottom. Tap the green Get Started button in the Create New Community tab. In the New Community section, fill in the details of your community, including its name, description, and optional photo for easy identification. Now, add existing groups to your community by selecting them or tapping on Create New Group to create a new one directly within the community. Now, you have your WhatsApp community ready on your Android phone. You can start sending the latest announcement or messages to a large number of people by simply tapping the Send button. Simple, clear, and succinct message make sure that everyone in your community knows what's going on, whether it's a new product launch, a service update, or an event invitation. Simple messages equal informed members. Make your community a two-way street. Invite your members to ask questions, give their opinions, or suggest ideas. This makes everyone feel valued and involved. When someone shares feedback, thank them and let them know how you will incorporate their feedback to improve your products or services. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.